Open the machine cover. Open the front panel of the machine. Remove the cable. Remove the old control panel. Replace with new controller. Reconnect the cables. Install the new control panel and fix the buckles. Connect the control panel serial cable. Replace the cleaning head. Take the fiber cord out of the old cleaning head and connect it to the new cleaning head and lock it. Plug the dust plug into the old cleaning head. Open the textile cover and connect the water tube and air tube to the corresponding port of the new cleaning head. Connect the control cable.